Okay, here we are at the back side of my little project there. My two ferns trimmed down pretty good. You'll see some green stuff in there. That's just leftover debris. I didn't feel like fishing out. I got other weeds and stuff I gotta do, but I cleaned up the area pretty good. Fills up a whole large yard waste can, so just to do these two. So plan accordingly. Anyway, easy to do. You want to trim, let me go to this one instead because it's like a stand-up hole. You just trim down. Do this before Valentine's Day, but you get it down. You want to, I swiped with my electric shears back and forth a couple times gently until you see if there's any growth down here, and there isn't. If there is growth, they'll look like alien heads. Freaked me out the first time I saw these. They were just naked at first, and then one day all these little alien heads came out. Anyway, knock it down and make sure you got to do this before 4th of July or for Valentine's Day. Knock it down, knock it down. When it looks like it's clear, when you get to this stocky layer, then just kind of make a ball. Just carve a ball into it. You don't have to fish all that debris out. You'll see there's lots of debris stuck in there. That's just how these guys roll. But it's a nice tight bundle. You can see all that. It doesn't, you know, it looks like straw minus this debris. Anyway, and then when they start to sprout, they'll look ugly as sin for a little while. But when they start to sprout, all your leaves will be fresh and you won't have any brown dead ones. Kind of cool. Keeps them looking good. They look like something out of Jurassic Park. I love them. They're a little bit of labor, but it was fun.